Alright guys, so here we have what I believe is a vintage 70s Carrier Cosmopolitan. It's actually got a rotary compressor, so I don't think it's that old. And up there is a Janitrol air conditioner running. I'm actually back in California, so I'm back. And there's an air conditioner behind here. See if no one's behind here this time. And there's no one. I believe this is an old Goodman. Just throwing out the heat. This is at a Bear Pit restaurant. Suction line's called. Let's see, it's from 2007. And it's a 5-ton. I don't know what this is actually. Might be an older Nordyne. It's got a rotary compressor. So I'm guessing this is a Nordyne. That's throwing out some really hot air. It's like 84 degrees out right now. And it's kind of like beating there. You can hear that. There's a Arctic King right here. It's like a 10,000 BTU air conditioner. But, yeah. This might be a Carrier Cosmopolitan right here. Although with a rotary compressor. I don't know, you guys can tell me that, but... Anyways, look at that ductwork up there. Tell me what you think of that ductwork. It's like you don't even have they don't even have attic space for all that. Just look at that. That is something else. But anyways, figured I'd do that video. And there's one more thing that I want to show. Is that. So it's like an old Halsey or Heritage ceiling fan, but anyways, thank you guys for watching.